Hello. A package came in. The manual conversion kit. This is what's in the box. A door control. I think this is a mount. I'm not too sure. The proper bell housing. The shifter fork. The hard lines. I think this is what it is. The transmission mount. The clutch master cylinder. Bearing. Nuts and bolts. A mount of some kind. Another mount of some sort. A type of guard. Looks very nice. And another important piece. The front part of the drive shaft. The Supra's getting new legs, so I gotta take it to the backyard, and we're gonna do all the work over there because we've been getting a couple of complaints from like landlord that we can't be working on cars in the driveway because I'm always having it on jacks and stuff. That car looks pretty cool. Okay, in my backyard. Don't ask me how we got the Supra in here because I don't even know honestly. It's like such a tight fit. We're about to pull out that. Got my jacks here, my jack stands, the little ramps, and so this guy decided to poop on me. I think we're gonna get a tarp from here to over there. We can, just to cover up all of this. Alright, so we got the tarp on. About to take out the harness from this fat bitch. We got some progress on the removing engine. Took out the battery, the radiator. The whole intake, and he's trying to get the harness off, but the harness is like under the intake. In order to check if your belts are good, you gotta check the tension, and if it sounds like a banjo, then you're good. Yeah, this one's on pretty good. Got everything undone. About to haul this fat bitch out. Yeah, 2 seconds. 2 seconds, you do. Alright, yeah, there we go. The engine is mostly out. Just need to take this AC compressor off. Honestly, I don't think it worked because there wasn't a bell on it.
Yeah.
So we forgot to take off the shifter. The shifter linkage. We kind of bent it up a little bit. Oh god. It's supposed to be straight down. Oh, that's funny. Oh yeah, boy. Why is it like straight up and down?
Alright.
Okay, now do you think
no, well the hood's like being lifted up, so
oh yeah.
probably should have taken it off.
Okay, we got it out. Alright, so I got this fat bitch out. It's naked. Got the transmission out too. The engine. So it's huge. Big as hell. Alright, so we got the transmission off. Now we're gonna take everything off, so it'll just be the block. Got my trusty little pressure washer here. Okay, note, nobody pressure wash their engine. I'm only doing it because I'm rebuilding it, so everything's gonna be apart and everything's gonna like dry off. gonna replace all the gaskets and everything. So everything's gonna be gone. So it'll be easier to like take apart, and it won't be so dirty. So goddamn dirty. We'll do the engine too. There's a couple of things I could do. Engine or manual page. Feel like I should get the engine going. Something that I forgot to show was the manual. I mean the automatic transmission. And I need this little harness and like the little gear selector, which is right here. So I could trick the ECU to thinking that it's in park or neutral, so I could turn it on. Or else if not, then I won't be able to turn it on. Alright, I got most of the engine disassembled. I just gotta wait for my pops to get home to like figure out what to do next. Still need to take the front off. But I was looking around this and it was over here. And I don't even have to drill any holes or nothing. It's already like a mount to where it's supposed to go. I just put a little plug over it. Just sweet.